Hey, you don't like old thunder boomers, do you? Hey, you don't like old thunder boomers, do you? They scare the puppy. You can't get no farther under my desk. I know. You don't like old thunder boomers. No. They scare a puppy. Yes, they scare a puppy. Yes, they do. They scare a puppy. There goes another one. I know. You don't like old thunder boomers. Lay down. Good girl. Yes, you're a good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yep, you don't like thunder boomers. No. They scare a puppy. Tell everybody bye bye. Say bye bye. No Kimber puppy. Don't like thunder boomers. Bye, y'all.